Water, our planet's most valuable resource. But how does it reach us purified and ready to nourish? At All Connections, we train the next generation of water and sanitation experts. Whether you're a recent graduate or expert professional, our programs offered both in person and online empower you to play a vital role in ensuring access to clean water for all. Join the journey towards a sustainable future for all. All Connections, taking you to envisioned heights.
Ngiyababingelela ababukeli bomlando emakhaya igama uPhel Shusha osuka khona la eSouth Coast. So uPhel ukhulele khona la eSouth Coast. Ngokuvundla ngisuka kaNzimakwe. It's a tribal authority area under uNkosi uNzimakwe. So ngikhulele khona, ngafunda khona la eSouth Coast, ngafunda high school ePortshepstone High, and then ngaqhubeka ke ngayofunda i-hospitality, ngayenza ne-food and beverage management International Hotel School in Westville. So lokho kungilide kulomkhakha engikuwona vele, which is i-hospitality. It's something I love because i-hospitality ikhona kuyona yonke indawo. Whether you are in a law firm, whether you are in a hospital, whether you are in anywhere, you have to practice i-hospitality because ukudila nabantu sonke isikhathi kubalulekile. Uthando lo-coffee ke it's a long love. From ukucela uma ukuthi angishiyele ikhofi mayiphunga ikhofi ekseni mangicela ungishiyele to loving this taste and then going into my field and working at Oyster Box, which is where I initially felt the love. So Uprowberry Cafe is a coffee shop. Coffee shop namhlanje sihleli kuyona, but in 2019, that's when I started to want to do and venture into coffee. However, while I was still in the plans, while I was still wanting to do this thing, kwavele kwafika COVID. And because bengithanda kakhulu ukwenza coffee and ngifuna ukuyiqala, ngabe nentshisekelo ukuthi okay, fine, how can I make my career or my dream come true without being on a stand still? Ngavula ke i-coffee trailer, which is our core business. It's a coffee trailer and iyona eyaqala yasukumisa uProwberry Cafe. Ibi coffee trailer pop up kwama market, pop up kwama tournament, and in 2021 sigesa pop up next to NYDA office lapha ePortshepstone. Namhlanje, I think 4 or 5 years later, last year in April, siyitholele ndawo, because in many of our tournaments, in many of our gigs, besinokuthola ukuthi where can we find you guys? Where can we enjoy this cup of coffee? So safuna indawo encane ezokwazi ukuba ibe manageable from our side, and sathi okay, let's find a home. So this is our home. Sizoqeda nje unyaka soon, and yeah, this is where we are. So i-coffee silidayisayo liyi-speciality coffee. Okusho ukuthi lingama-bean. Lama-bean aya-grindwa through a grinding process. Aya-roastwa before ufike kuma-beans. But alifani ne-coffee lelo lithenge esitolo eli-convenience. So lona lelo silenzayo silibrewa ngaleso sikhathi siyaligrinda ulithola nje liyi-espresso, and then from i-espresso siyabuilda to i-cappuccino, to i-cortado, to i-latte. Kuyahluka ukuthi umuntu uthanda ini, but i-base yayo i-espresso and iphuma from a bean egrindiwe from umshini. Ngichazile ukuthi siqale ngayo i-trailer, and i-trailer siyincengile. Engikutholile ukuthi ukuze ikube khona esitolo kube important, kube ukuthi kubalekile ukuthini ukuthi sivele endaweni eziningi. So besiwenza ama-market. Amanye ama-market abengahambi ngendlela ebihlele ngayo because mhlawumbe i-clientele ekhona ngifuna ukuthi i-target market. But mhlawumbe i-clientele esuke ikhona ngaleso sikhathi mhlawumbe kuyashisa. Mina i-coffee ngiliphuza noma kushisa kubanda and abantu abaningi abaphuza i-coffee noma abalithanda kakhulu i-coffee bazoliphuza i-coffee whether kuyashisa noma kuyabanda. Ifana nomuntu one-edit uyenza leyo nto noma kunjani uyabo. So sibe kwama-market emahle emabi but we were building the brand. So we wanted the brand awareness. Once sabona ukuthi okay fine siyayithola sabona ama-private event sibizwa kwama-private event saya kuona from there salokhu sincenga ngiqale ngingedwa-ke kungisizile ukuthi skill ngibe naso because benga-afford ukuqasha umuntu. Namhlanje nje sina 2 permanent people, employees, and then about 3 aba-part-time. And ngiyazibala kulabo permanent people ama-staff because bayazi bebengekho I jump right in. Nalabo aba-permanent aba-part-time bayazi ukuthi indlela yokwenza senza kanjani. And ngihlele ngithi mangifuna umuntu ngibheka umuntu ozobe i-duplicate of myself because going back to uthando lwe-hospitality umuntu umbona engene ukuthi ukuphatha kanjani. Ne-coffee mawulenza kufana nokupheka. If upheka ukhathele awuthandi ngisho i-rice uzoliza ukuthi alilona right yabo. So naku-coffee whether you bring your espresso because it's all a love language. Uyakwazi uyibona espresso ngalolo langa ukuthi cha ama-bean i-grind i-log yakho ayihlelanga ngendlela e-right. So uya-adjusta uliphinde ulirun short ubona ukuthi ayike leli mayingena umuntu uzolizwa ngisho ecela a-plain espresso because iqala lapho ukwazi ukulizwa from a plain espresso. Inhlanhla enkulu because without ama-entities wase-Renkwenyeni I don't think we would be this far. Ngikusho lokho in 2019 sathola uxhaso under i-Renkwenyeni LED sakwazi ukuthenga umshini wokuqala wethu nje ukutrailer njengamanje. Sathola futhi noxhaso kuvula fund under u-Etia. I think we were the first group in 2019. So nalokho kwakwazi ukuthi ngisize ngithole omunye umshini. Unfortunately omunye umshini waba destroyed through ama-floods abekhona. So bangixhasile kakhulu umasipala balike i-Potchefstroom. So siyatholakala la at the Emporium ku-978 khona Kings and Marine Drive. Shop number 4 Proberry kanye futhi ne-trailer yethu iyatholakala for ama-hire. You can hire the coffee for any corporate, any training. Siyawenza nama-coffee trainings, barista training, and siyatholakala naka-social media. Ku-Instagram sikhona ku-Proberry Cafe _NSC.